anxious. Maybe I'ma get a little shy, 'cause everybody's trying to be famous, and I'm just trying to find a place to hide. All I wanna do is just hold somebody, but no one ever wants to get to know somebody. I don't even know how to explain this. I don't even think I'm gonna try. And that's okay. I promise myself one day I'ma tell them all that you can either hate me or love me, but that's just the way I am. I'ma tell them all that you can either hate me or love me, but that's just the way I am. 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 Maybe I might get a little nervous. Maybe I don't go out anymore. Feeling like I really don't deserve this. Life ain't nothing like it was before. 'Cause all I wanna do is just hold somebody, but no one ever wants to get to know somebody. If you go and look under the surface, maybe I'm a little insecure. And that's okay. You know that's okay. I promise myself one day I'ma tell them all that you can either hate me or love me, but that's just the way I am. I'ma tell them all that you can either hate me or love me, but that's just the way I am. 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 No, that's just the way I am. I'ma tell them all that you can either hate me or love me, that's just the way I am. Yeah, this is what you wanted. Oh, this is what you wanted. Yeah, this is what you wanted. Oh, this is what you wanted.